How to add the fitness activity widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, touch and hold on a blank spot, then tap on the edit button. Then from the pop-up, tap on add widget. Now we scroll down, and in here tap on fitness. Next in here, you can swipe across to choose a different activity widget size. So we got small one, medium size. So select a size and then tap on add widget. And this will get added to your home screen. Now on your home screen, you can also make it smaller or larger. Then tap on the done button to complete. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.